Good evening, folks. What's up? This is Marcel. Right now we're at the Oakland Coliseum Station. Amtrak Coast Starlight 14 is right there. He is holding up at a red signal due to a trespasser incident up the street. So I think he might be stopping at a red signal, or he just diverted track. All right, I guess he's headed to the Coliseum Station to stop. All right, so this is crazy right here, folks. It looks like Amtrak Coast Starlight number 14 is gonna make a stop here at the Oakland Coliseum Station. I think he's getting terminated here, so this is amazing. P42, tail in the back, 316, and P42 number 27. So this is interesting. Amtrak 14 pulling up at the Oakland Coliseum Station. I think he's gonna stop here due to an incident. So, wow. This is crazy, folks. This is crazy. All right, here he is. That looked like another train way down there behind the Coast Starlight. 316 and P42 number 27. Wow. I should have just stayed down there. I don't know if this train will be terminated at the Oakland Coliseum Station. Real quick. I'll get a picture shot. Once again, this is Amtrak 14. We'll be holding up here at the Coliseum Station at the Coliseum platform. So this train is going to be delayed due to Amtrak 547 incident. Alright folks, so we'll be right back after these commercial break on the update of Coast Starlight 14. So I don't know why Amtrak 14 decided to stop at the Coliseum on that track. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright folks, we are back. So Amtrak Coast Starlight 14 is clear to go. ALC 42, 316, P42, PT number 27. At the Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A Stadium. All right, have a safe trip. This train would go through the mess of the 547 incident. Alright folks, look at that train. That train is going to Seattle, going around the 547 mess. So they are clear to go through this mess. I'm Marcel Hall. Happy Friday. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And the trespassers on the track. Bye.